Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to quit the game when you are playing with the Subway Surfers application and for some reasons you want to leave it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the screen to start playing with the game. So if you want to quit the game for some reasons, all you have to do is clicking on this pause button in the upper left corner of the screen, so tap on it. And then as you can see, you have the chance to quit the game by tapping on this red button that can be found in the left side corner down below. As you can see, your run progress will be lost, so if you are sure that you want to leave the game, tap on the leave button. So now you have quitted the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.